Another new level trade setup. Let's talk about it. Let me get rid of some of this. Make this simple and plain. Daily time frame. As you guys can see, price trended all the way up here. Created this peak formation. Created this double top. You can actually see this double top. Smaller time frame. Right? We took this trade as well. But if I go out to a smaller time frame, you can see this double top a little bit better. Let's see. Okay, there it is right there. See this double top right here? This was the double top on the daily. Created a double top, price fell away. Alright, let's go back to the daily. Alright, let's blow this back up so you can see it a little bit better. Okay. That's a double top, price came down, went from a bullish run to a bearish run. Right, market structure changed right here. Price pulled all the way back. I knew it was going to get another shot at going short in this trade once I saw this pullback. Why? Where did it pull back to? I take my fib to 61.8 level on the Fibonacci tool. Now that's not the reason why I took the trade, but that's another piece of confluence. After it pulled back, it gave us the perfect new level setup. I'm also noticing that it created this big candle. This candle was small. It rejected right off this level right here. If we go pan out to a smaller time frame, I'm sure you're going to see a level of resistance in this area right here. So price came and pulled down. That was my entry candle. That was my signal candle, I should say, on this candle right here. Get that on the screen. I like pretty charts. That was my signal candle to go short. Bam. Drop down to the 4 hour. Go ahead and put in my stop loss, potential entry, 1-to-1 take profit. We probably can run it down here. Depends on how the momentum continues to the downside, but right here we have another level right here of support. So we want to recognize this support. So I'm always going to get out. Well, most of the time I'm going to get out at a 1-to-1 on my first level of support because I like to secure the profits. If you go to the 1 hour time frame, you can look at the daily move that's taking place. This is a daily move. Look how strong that candle is beginning to form. Now, this is a 1 hour chart, so this candle has still 30 minutes until it closes. So it may, it may retrace, but it may go all the way through and hit the take profit. We'll see. We never know, but when you have a good idea of what you're doing when it comes to trading, you can kind of, to a certain level of probability, guess what the market is going to do. A lot of this stuff is just seeing the charts for a while, instinctively trading, so a lot of this stuff is just trading instinct. But I believe the market is going to come down and hit my take profit on this one. This will be another, let me reset my screen. This will be another awesome new level setup. To learn the way I trade, guys, if you want to learn this new level strategy and all the little nuances that comes with this strategy, things to look out for. This is stress-free trading. This is swing trading. This is not day trading. I put in these trades and I go to bed. And I let the trade play out and do what it does. Alrighty? Learn and trade Forex.